Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. It's been a while since I actually recorded a video and posted it here on YouTube. So this video, I just wanted to teach the basics of swing highs and swing lows. Um, for a lot of people, they get kind of mixed up and it was just say this is the swing low, this is the swing high, this is the swing high here, swing low, swing high. But for me personally, it's about seeing more of the move than this bigger picture of looking like this. So I'm going to teach you how to read the market in the simplest terms and how you can actually find a strategy from this that's a profitable strategy rather than just showing you and being like, right, in hindsight, this should work. Add it with something else. I'm just going to show you a basic, simple strategy that you can go and back test and you can look into and exactly how you can see how a market moves. So we're actually doing the Euro British pound here on the hourly chart. Now, when you look for a swing point is a candle where the lowest point, for example, here, this is lower than the next candle and the previous candle. So, what you can actually see here is if I just put up my drawing tools and I find you a brush. Now, you can see this, right? You can see that this candle is higher than this candle and this candle is higher than this candle. So that's the swing point. This candle has to be the lowest point, and if to either side of it are higher, then that is the swing point here. And you have another one here. As you can see, this candle is lower than both this one and this one. This one's higher, but this one obviously that proves a lower and a higher, so this is within a range now. But you can see this candle here is higher than this candle and this higher candle, and that's on the reverse side, so that's a high point. And here they're just trending down, so you can see that this is the high point. This is actually where the swing point started. This is where it changes, and this is where you get, obviously we're in a downtrend here, so you've got higher low, lower low, but then here you kind of wrap up, and now you try to break up above this, so this would be, you know, your higher lows. Sorry, I don't know if I said lower high and lower low, but yeah, high low here, and if we break above here, which seems that we're doing now, that would be the trend. And also you have another one here, and another one here, and another one here, and another one here. So these are all the micro moves within a chart. So you're seeing, you know, the highs, the lows, the highs. You can see this high is lower than that high. You're breaking down. You know, you had another one here. So we're kind of ranging. We're just ranging here, and then we break down, and then, you know, obviously we're making patterns now. How can we make this let me just turn this off. How can we make this a strategy? So what I like to see is, for example, in this candle here, I like to see the bottom in a reversal green followed by another green, and if it's not green here, if this is a red bottom, I like to see a green followed by a green. So there has to be two consecutive candles, either from the bottom or the two following, in the direction that we want. Now, this is the swing point. This is the swing point. And this is a swing point that both have, this candle is the high, it's the red, followed by another red. This one wouldn't count because this is the high point. This one would count because it's green followed by a red followed by another red. So this swing point as well. So we have three swing points here. Oh, and this one here as well, sorry. We have four swing points now that all have a red followed by a red, or the top was followed by a red followed by a red, and a green followed by a green, and this high was red followed by a red. Now, what do I like to see next? What I like to see next is I look at the next candle after this swing point. So we have this green candle. Where is the low? So I like to mark a low of this candle. And we'll change the color. Where is the high of this candle? Because it's the next candle. this is the second candle highest, and this one here. So straight away what you can see is if you're getting sweeps of these, you now have trading opportunities, because that's the top, that's the second, 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 that's the top, that's the second. So just from a trading strategy here, once we sweep this candle and we've had two reds, we can just put a stop back at this low, or even on the close. It's up to you. You can back test this, see whatever works best for you. I'll put a stop below that low, and I'll target a higher or some support. So right here we've got a 2.3 trade. If this closes below this point, we'll be opening up a trade here, but we've got to wait for the close. That's still another 20 minutes away. But you know, we'll go back here to like maybe these lows. We see another sweep here, and this is pretty good actually. These engulfing candles, if that candle, the third candle engulfs the second candle, we've seen it here. We did see it here. We saw this second candle close lower than that candle. It's even more powerful, so we saw it here as well. We saw this candle closing above this candle. So, you know, it depends where you want to go. You can maybe do the opening of that candle, stop above, you know, find a point. You know, if you trade FVGs, right here, that's a 2.58. We've got another sweep here. You know, put the highs there. Target the same place, or maybe even here, 1.69. So straight away here, you've seen 3 trades within the last 24 hours on the hourly chart that pulled off a 1.65, a 2.58, and a 2.3. So between those two, you know, you're looking at 5, 6R. If you're trading 1%, which I do, is 6%. So that's just an easy way to navigate the market and see, you know, intraday moves within the bigger picture. Sometimes it can be stressful, try to absorb information, but just look to see where the market moves. Because here you have a swing point, for example, that's a green candle and a green candle, but there's no sweep there. It's just a close below. There's no sweep. So just keep an eye on the markets, break it down, use the hourly chart, price moves slower. Take a nice easy, as you see, you get plenty of opportunities. This is just one chart. This is Euro, Great British Pound. I've got 30 pairs, Forex pairs, majors and minors in my watch list. So there's plenty of opportunities. And just have a look and start to digest and dissect the price action that you're seeing.